What's good? What's good? What's good, everybody? Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, everybody. What is good? What's up? What's happening? We got Jdun and DOD in here. Get it cracking. What's good? What's good? What's good? Good morning, everybody. What's good? Oh, why is this not? I'm getting everything set up. What's good, Grizzy Glauc? What's up, guys? Running a little behind this AM, but we're getting after it. How's your morning been, bro?
It's good. Had a nice pool day. I'm prepping myself mentally. I'm going to attempt the 75 hard on Monday.
Let's go, bro.
See if we can do it.
Let's go, dog. You're going to kill it.
I'm going to.
Bro's going to kill it. What you watching today?
There's a nice setup played out here at pre-market. A couple.
Oh, shit. Whoops. What is going on, YouTube and TikTok? As a reminder, this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. Team Bull DOD Money Team. Yep, I'm 53 days in to mine. I am still going at it. I basically lived it though. So I mean it's just kind of putting a title on it. But I pretty much just lived it before even starting. I've done it a few times as well. A few times. This market is like a freaking pogo stick. Just bouncing up and down. No clear direction. Goes up and it goes down. Goes up and it goes down. Give us some sort of direction, Nazdaquita. Yep, live hard program. That's facts. That is facts. I hope we get a big move. I hope that we get a big move. We got 5 minutes till open, everybody. 5 minutos till open. Good morning, Jdun. Good morning. I had a speaking of which. Someone said, Gene, remembered I had to unlock the door. Wait, I'm tripping. Gene's already... I can't even think straight. Gene's already here. My brain's still waking up. All right, let's get it. Get my phone charger. Okay. Got 4 minutes till open. What's up, Johnny? It's DOD time. It is DOD time. What a privilege it is to beat the trade today. That's right. Amen to that. Amen, my friend. Amen to that. Well, let's get this going. There we go. All right, guys. We have another day ahead of us that we are blessed to be able to come in, manage our risks, trade smart, trade safe, and hopefully catch ourselves a bag. What's up, John G? Welcome back. Welcome back, everybody. Let's get it, y'all. Good morning. Good morning, Josh. And good morning, everybody that comes in here and trades with me every day. Appreciate y'all. More than you guys know. Thinking today, if we see similar movement, I'm going to have to use a little less size and widen stops a little bit. So I've been noticing is it's been hard to have like a 20, 30 point stop unless you get like a literally perfect entry. I don't like having to get perfect entries. I'd rather get good entries with great risk management. So that's definitely something I'm taking into account today. Oh, Tipton Trades. Whoops. Yep, 2DTE is cool too for options. That's what I always tell option traders. If you're struggling with your risk, all right, guys, market's open. Just extend your expiration date out a few days. If you're trading 0 DTE, then of course you're gonna have trouble with options or the positions moving against you too soon.
You have anything you're watching close?
No. Me and this market are beefing. Beautiful things. Let's get it, guys. As a reminder, it is oh, I'm not sharing my screen. Whoops. I just want to watch my screen. I'm just being real. Not really. Oh, whoops. Beautiful things. I was sharing the wrong screen there. 1 second. 1 minuto. No, wrong screen again. There we go. Now we got the right screen. If they say you can learn from YouTube, but now everything on YouTube are ads, how can you learn? You're in this live stream every day. Hit that follow button. That's step 1. And just tap in and watch what I do every day. You get a live lesson every single morning. What's good, everyone on YouTube? I appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, if you're on TikTok, I appreciate y'all tapping that screen. Do yourself a favor. Do the fam a favor. Get your blood moving. Tap that screen for a minute straight. Let's get everyone 100 likes in. Let's get them like numbers up. Let's get our good karma button up. Get our karma bar up. Hit that like button up, baby. Let's go. I know y'all got it in you. And then YouTube, same deal. Hit that like button on YouTube. Smash that like button. You guys know what time it is, too. Market just opened. We got to get our morning push-ups in. If you want to change your state, change your state. You want to change your psychology, you change your biology. So here's the deal. In about 10 seconds, I'm going to get my butt down on the ground, and we're doing some push-ups, baby. You ready? If you can't do push-ups, you can do jumping jacks. You can spin around in circles, whatever you got to do. Once y'all joining me, get them push-ups in. Let's get it. 10 push-ups. If you're a real one, 20. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, DOD 12, DOD 13, DOD 14, DOD 15, DOD 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Just like that, guys. Just like that, y'all. Get the blood moving a little bit. Whew. We're getting it, baby. Smashed it so hard you cracked your screen. What in the world is J Bum doing? Getting people into some winners. Yep. Oh, I got my coffee here. Oh, that felt good. Got the blood moving. I needed that for sure. DOD will pay you. That's right. Hopefully a lot of y'all actually tuned in and joined me for those push-ups. Yeah, Gene caught a winner in Asia last night too. We need some green today. We need some green today. All right, let's see what we get today. Yeah, Gene caught a real nice Asia trade. Push-ups before the bell. You really feel better too. You really do. We're going to make that a rule. Every day before open, you do your push-ups. And then after every trade that you take that doesn't fit your system, that goes bad, whatever it may be, you do 10 more push-ups too. You'll either be rich or you'll be ripped. All right, Team Bull. So here's the deal. I want to watch for any sort of strength. I want to watch for a break above pre-market high and then retest. That's my main watch for any sort of long. Is I want to see strength above this pre-market high and also strength above this previous after session high at like 550. So I'd love to see that. I'd love to see us come, push up, retest, and then move. Same deal with the pre-market low. I'd like to see us come, break below this 15-minute low, pre-market low, retest up, and then move down. As a reminder too, guys, if you are trading futures with me, you can buy your next account and take your next trade with me on Apex for 85% off using code Jdun. Word on the street is it comes with an 100% increase in DOD. You put that code in, you remember that you got to choose DOD, you got to trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. I'm actually not super opposed to a reject up above pre-market high as well. Not previous Asia high or aftermarket high, excuse me. I'm not opposed to that. I'm not opposed to a reject of pre-market high and previous after hours high. Are they playing Fortnite in the background? No. I don't know, but it's been a little slower to start. Jami. Don't know. How about my Nuggets last night too? Dub Nation. Easy money, baby. It's all day. That's all day. Yeah, I'm going to watch for a potential reject up here at 550 to 560. Or 540 to 550. Excuse me. Definitely a possibility. Unfortunately, I have made trades in the last 2 days. They just didn't make me any money. I'm not sure where I'd play stops. Probably like 40 or 50 points. A little wider, so a little less size. Maybe around like 590, 600. You weren't on stream. You didn't stay for the full 2 hours. You got to stay for the full 2 hours. but I'm not gonna sit here and argue with you. You know what? You're right. No trades. I'm 0 for 0 on the week. I'd prefer that. Gene did catch a banger last night. That's what I heard. Dun, 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 dun. I'm feeling a banger. Grizzly, what are you watching today? You see anything you like? Grizzly Glock? You see anything that you like, Grizzly Glock? Are you watching that same level as I am? For the reject? You watching that?
Pre-market area.
Yep, the pre-market area?
I kind of watch up here for like a reject, like 24 550.
Yep, that's I'm watching 540 to 550.
Only thing I see, if we get above that, we get like a high volume candle above that, we may plays out.
That's exactly what I'm watching for, is that reject up there. I wanted to see us break through the level, then reject. It's not looking like it's going to give it to us, though. It's not looking like it wants to cooperate. Is DOD discipline over dopamine? You're damn right it is. That's a philosophy that changed my life and thousands of others. Oh, I really wanted to see this pre-market high 540 to 550 reject. Literally missed it by about 15 to 25 points. Wow. That's foul. All right, guys, our 15-minute range is in. Let's find ourselves a winner. Let's find ourselves a winner. Dun, 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 dun. I was really hoping we get that move up. POC is point of control. Highest volume moment from the current session. All right, come on. Let's get something fire, everybody. Tell you one thing. With this 75 hard I've been doing, my discipline has been locked all the way in. I mean, all the way in. I haven't done any PRs, but I could almost guarantee you that I'm at all-time highs on strength. I'm certainly at all-time highs on endurance. Trading's been locked in, but even when I do lose, I've been having small losses. The wins I've been having are much bigger. And I've been really just coming in and following my plan every day, which is a huge, huge win when you can do it on a daily basis. You can come in and consistently execute on a daily basis and follow your plan. Taking friendship out of the equation with Grizz. How do you like the Grizzology indicator? It's great. I don't use it because he's my friend. I mean, that's how I know about it, but I use it because it marks out all these levels and it makes life easy. I've done 75 medium before. I respect that. I respect you being honest about that and even doing 75 medium. That's more than most people will do. Most people do 75 cheeseburger. They eat 75 days of eating burgers and garbage in a row. They would never try to do a 75 medium or a 75 hard. They'll do 75 medium well. They ain't doing 75 medium difficulty. I hope you weren't talking about 75 medium well. Because if that's the case, you might as well just change it to 75 rare, because that's the only way that y'all should be getting your meat. Medium well should literally be illegal. Same with well. If you're eating medium well, the well done steak, you were in the wrong live stream, my guy. All right. Grizzly, you know why I needed a winning trade today? We need stake money. We need steak and sushi money. Interesting. So we got this close below 15-minute low. $466, $430. I actually will watch for a retest back up for shorts for an initial test.
441.
Yeah, like VWAP.
Just ripping straight down.
I know. Right to pre-market low. That's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see us come give even the slightest retest up. Nope. Said sorry. Not today, baby. It's literally so close to our reject earlier at pre-market high.
It was a pullback if you just rolled down here.
Yes, if you come and spam the chat, you're going to get muted. We try our best not to ban you unless you're on some real BS, but just come in, come choose good vibes, bring positive energy, choose disciplined energy. That's all we allow here. We're a focused, highly profitable stream. It's okay. Just don't be spamming. Trying to keep everyone fit. We're all on the same team here. Man, I can't believe they didn't give us the slightest pullback. Not even the slightest pullback up. That's foul.
Any questions?
Yeah, I have a question. Why can't this damn market give us a solid lower high pullback before ripping down?
Contact the makers.
Call the market makers. Dial them up.
It's currently the X platform. Let's bring pre-market low and climb.
Yep, literally, of course.
Look at the volume on this candle. Let's see what the delta is. 1 minute, 30-second left on this candle. Currently negative 2. Something.
Nothing. Grizzly, I'm curious why. I just notice this with Grizzology. Why do you have your pre-market low where it is instead of 2 a.m. Eastern time?
What is it?
You have your pre-market low at what do you gauge? Oh, yours is at 4. You do yours at 4. Okay, that's why.
Pre-market is.
Oh. Still down for a lower high. Just wish we would have had a pullback before.
I don't know, making Grizzology where people can some people prefer a certain time frame for certain sessions. Just make it adjustable.
Technically speaking, is a 2-bar. Just stops have to be right.
I'm gonna try shorts around 400 if we push up a little more.
I might be down for shorts at 400 with stops at like 450. Like just put on a little less size.
I'm keeping my stops at 420. 420.
I like that 400 area too. I'm gonna be trading micros if I put on more risk, like more point risk, not necessarily more monetary risk, but more point risk.
I'm starting my position here. I'm gonna add to it. Oh, no, I'm just gonna leave it here. I'm in shorts, everyone. You either stop at the top of this candle or the 15 or above VWAP.
Started up here as well. Started shorts up there. I personally like adding into like 20 with stops above like
Yeah, I was trying to make up
50.
my mind with what I wanted to do, but yeah, we could add some. Definitely could add more up here and just set our stops above D-Wall.
You guys want a little? Actually, no. I'll take that back.
You get 361 out of this, I'll be happy.
Yep. In low day, I'll be happy too. If you guys didn't here, you should have. This is entry area up here where I tried shorts. I have an emergency stop up at 450, just in case we got some crazy news candle.
You never know.
I always have emergency stops in this market, just in case. You will never find me without a hard stop in.
Brutal pre-market candles.
Yep. I would.
Trade down for us. Let's have a nice payday. All right. First 440.
There we go. If you guys got that add up there, that was the one up there.
Just about to add. I didn't get to add anymore. I mean, 30. You got decent size. I'll be happy either way.
Come on, push it down.
If it's a low day, we're going to trim half our position if we get it.
Come on, push it down, baby. Downwards dog. It's yoga time. It's yoga time. It's bear time. Come on.
Trim everyone.
I'm going to take a little off too. Low 60s. I'm taking a little off here.
Nice.
Let's go.
This is my final price target. The zone here, this demand. That's what I was aiming for. I mean, it could go further.
Let's go. I moved my stops down to 413 for now.
Nice trade, everyone. Exactly what we needed. Yeah. Put your stops at entry, but there should be a green trade regardless at this point.
Let's go. Push it down, baby. Actually, I'm going to do that too. I'm going to put my stops at entry.
Next trend for me is going to be like 330, 340 area.
I want to see him move down to, I was going to say like 325.
Yeah, we could. Previous day.
There we go. There we go.
I trimmed again, everyone.
Let's go. Yo.
There we go.
Yeehaw, baby. Slap me and call me Jaquita. Let's go. Let's go. That was money bags. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Messed up some profits now, everyone.
We needed that. We needed that, baby. I like it like that. She working that back. Some old school. Let's go. We needed that. Come on. Now keep it moving. Now keep it moving. We touched that demand zone almost to a T.
Yeah.
Send.
Took it straight from the truck.
All right, guys. We need after a slow start to the week, we need some good vibes. Good vibes and good vibes only. If you guys made money on that, if you guys caught that, what, 70 points, 60 points, talk to me in the chat. If you made money with Grizzly Glock and Jaquita trades, how much y'all make? How much y'all make on that trade? 800, 116, 460, 450, 154, 300, 625, 200, 291. We needed that bad, baby. 840, 215, 90, 800, 350, 200, 667, 227, 500, 156. Let's go! And then we got a Nebraska dub coming tomorrow in the tournament. We're just winning left and right, baby. Let's go! Dubs left and right. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. That is what I'm freaking talking about. Order filled. Who's over there trading? Who's over there trading? You know what's crazy? This could actually give us a long entry, too. This could actually give us a long entry, too, low key. Touch off demand, close above pre-market low. With how market's been on the news, I wouldn't necessarily trust it fully, but order filled. Yeah, that was terrible. gotta clear the throat first. Then you can get the ultimate order filled. There's a good one. That's what I'm doing in my spare time these days. I'm going to work for Trade of 8. I really wanted more continuation out of that, but I'm happy with what we got.
Well, that's a nice trade, Jdun.
That was awesome.
There's another setup here. I'd love to catch a sweep here with the buy on it. That's a reversal candle. We get an entry.
Yep. That's what I was saying is it doesn't look bad for pull back into like pre-market low with stops below a day. That's the type of trades that's been hitting lately.
If it just completely flush this candle to the downside, I'll be surprised. It invalidates. But are you taking another trade, or are you going to be done with that one, Jdun?
I don't know. I'm not sure yet.
I was considering one, yeah.
If you do it, I'll do it.
Well, that's high volume. That's higher volume than the opening candle. New point of control in. Yes, in 395.
You don't threaten me with a good time.
Okay. Nice. Take your eval. I'll say you're funded. Much for a pullback there.
Yeah. This is the type of trade where I like to see us pull back a little, like into here, and then rip. Face ripper. I know. Tried to warn us. Tried to warn us. We didn't listen.
We're gonna play out if they're massive high volume candle. The orbs are valid for me every day. Just because that previous candle.
Grizzly, you watching the Nebraska-Iowa game tomorrow?
Are you going to it? Yeah, I think I watched it.
You gonna watch it, bro? That's like our Super Bowl, bro. They're literally our arch nemesis. It's the Battle of the Corn. This is like game 7 of the Cavs and Warriors back in the day.
You're gonna have like a corn shucking competition.
Yes, this is for all the marbles, bro. If we lose tomorrow, I will literally hide in my closet for 2 weeks. Like, we could have gone to the Sweet 16 and lost to Florida, whatever. Nah, this Iowa's personal. It's personal. It's literally all anyone in Nebraska is thinking about. We have nothing else. I mean, respectfully, Iowa don't have anything else.
I love that.
Yep. Thank God it's not a butter churning competition. You'd win. What do you think, Grizzly? Y'all gonna take down Alabama? Or you guys put Iowa State? You put Iowa State.
No, yes, Ohio. Wait, who is it?
You put Iowa State in basketball.
Yeah, that's right. Someone was talking trash in my DMs about them yesterday.
You guys got Iowa State.
How's your bracket hunting out? Mine is just fell apart.
Mine is actually not bad. If let's see. I still have a lot of potential points. I got Nebraska in the Final Four, so I don't think anyone else chose them to go far.
Hopefully,
That's my sleeper, bro.
my brother had an upset bracket, and it's doing decent. Really decent. What was I haven't looked at it today?
So we went and touched up at 4:30. That's the original area I was watching. This is 4:30, 4:40 for shorts. We'll see how it ends up. How it ends up being for the session. Yep, I got Duke over St. John's. I picked that matchup right for Sweet 16. I didn't get either of those. I had, man, I picked UCLA beating UConn. What was I thinking? Dan Hurley, come on. I got Iowa, or nope, I had Iowa losing to Florida. I got Nebraska, good. Illinois and Houston I picked. I picked Tennessee and Iowa State. I picked Michigan, Alabama. I picked Purdue over, I had Gonzaga. And I got Arkansas and Arizona. Arkansas, don't sleep on Arkansas. Don't sleep on them boys in Arkansas. As far as the markets go, I don't see anything else right now. I'm interested to see how we react at VWAP right here. We have this aggressive move off demand back up, so I'm just waiting to see if we get any confirmation either way. We're below VWAP, but above pre-market low and point of control. So it could be a 50-50 either way right now. That's how this market's been. I'm just happy to make some guava.
Well, just keeps going.
Yep. Just keeps pushing.
I would have tried longs if we just got a little retracement.
Me too. I want to see it retracing back to like pre-market low or a little lower. Came back to tell you today was the first trade I've ever taken with you, and you saved my account bad. Well, I'm glad that happened, but I don't want you to rely on signals. I want you to learn the why. I want to create long-term, systematic, profitable traders, not signal bots. There is no monthly fees once you pass. Nope. Closed above VWAP. Say it wants to keep moving now.
Mac, were you outside? Oh, yeah. Would be met with a vicious corgi.
Stupid.
Pack corgi.
As a reminder, guys, if you guys want to get funded and take my next trade with me, we just caught a 60 to 70 pointer, depending on what your entry was. Use code Jdun with Apex. You can also get funded with FFF, Tradeify, or Alpha Futures. Right now, the Apex added end-of-day drawdown, which is huge, absolutely huge. A lot of people didn't want to trade at them before because they didn't like the intraday. Well, Apex has end-of-day drawdown, no denied payouts. Now, so you won't just break the rules and find out later. All of it's automated. There's a lot of good things happening at Apex, and you can get a 50K account for only $37. Gene's a little busy right now.
Watch out for the bears, big.
Game Grizz, that demand zone smacked. That's smack for real. Woo! Oh, sneezed. Thank you, guys. Appreciate all y'all. Glad we can catch a winner so far today. I'm seeing if we can find something else. I appreciate y'all being here. If you're on TikTok, hitting that follow button in the top left corner. Also, how do we only have 7,000 likes? We got like 500 y'all in here. If we get 50 likes from each of y'all, what does that put us at? 25,000? Come on. I know each of y'all has the capability. Come on, y'all. Get them moving. Let's go. Get them fingers moving, baby. If you're on YouTube, smash that thumbs up button too, baby. I'm trying to make y'all money every day. Help y'all learn the system. Help you guys choose discipline in your trading, in your daily life, and genuinely help change your life in every way. I've seen it happen to a lot of people that come every day. I've seen a lot of people that have gotten more payouts, have lost weight, have improved their habits, have quit the drugs, quit the alcohol, and that's what our stream's about. Thank you, bro. Miss you too, Churchy. Much love, bro. Pending payout of 405. Thank you. This is my first payout. Let's go. Speaking of which. Damn, if only we would have gotten that pullback. If only we would have gotten that slight pullback. Let's go. Someone DM'd me and said, I closed out today with 600 profit with the trade you called and then closed out my computer immediately. In the past, I would have kept searching for more and more trades. I've blown through accounts like that. Now, because of DOD, I'm okay with less and I'm more patient. Thanks a lot. Let's go. Spring break is next week, but I'm taking my travel laptop and Jdun with me. Let's go. Oh, that's major. That's major. That's major. Oh, woo. Oh, big stretch. Big stretch. Greg B811 said, all right, going to try actually quitting when up 1,075 today, trading 1 NQ solid day. That's awesome. I challenge you to walk away. I challenge you to walk away and choose DOD. I appreciate you, some guy. Yeah, my the back shots have been crazy. I've been getting some massive back shots lately. What? You guys didn't see my story yesterday? Look at that. Look at that back shot. It's a beautiful, that is a beautiful video of me working very hard on my back and taking a video of it. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with me showing off and trying to motivate the next generation to get their health right? I don't think there's anything wrong with showing y'all some shots of my back. I don't know what else y'all are thinking about. Y'all's minds are in the gutter. I'm seeing the volatility. I caught my nice move though. The move up and move straight down. You are in trouble. No, you're in trouble. I am. I take all of them. $700 today. I'm secured. I'm out safe. Let's go. Enjoy your day, bro. Lock in your money. Go enjoy your day. The biggest problem I see a majority of traders having is they can't stop over trading. And just like in Vegas, more often than not, the more trades you take, the less likelihood you have of making and keeping money you get. I'm down 800 today from over trading. Well, don't let it happen again, bro. Also, for all you guys on TikTok, give the YouTube a chance tomorrow. Come tap in with our YouTube at Jdun Trades. We got a great growing community there. You get full screen share. Come tap in. And if nothing else, just come subscribe. I have a ton of good, solid, helpful, valuable, free education for you. He eats. I appreciate y'all subbing. I appreciate all y'all subbing and hitting that follow button on TikTok. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Be back in like a minute, maybe two. Jdun, please, what is your daily bias, Jdun? Will you please just give me one more signal so I can make the money? Because Jdun, if you don't give me the signal, how am I supposed to make the money? Bro, no more signals today. You got your daily signal earlier. No more signals. Do not redeem the overtrading or revenge trading.
Let's see what happens at pre-market high. Keep going.
Jdun, will you please give me one more signal in your daily bias? You must redeem me to get me a signal so I can make the money and I can buy everything that I've wanted. But Jdun, if you are not clear with your entry and exit, I cannot make money with you, Jdun. Please! Please give me the daily bias, man. I need it. Oh, I mean, y'all like them. Oh, we're just having fun. Stupid mask cracks me up too. Oh, too funny. Bobblehead Jdun. Oh, oh man. All right. Grizzly, we still watching for that reject up here or what? What do you think, big dog?
You got to rip something?
It's kind of sketchy, but I mean, it's definitely possible with how this market's been. We come up, test this pre-market high, test this previous day or aftermarket high at 550, and then reject. This market's been very, very consistent on demand bounces and supply rejects.
Wow, the big move came after market close.
Let's go say hi to Jen real quick.
Second when I'm done talking about this. Don't worry, I promise I'll look at them and get to them.
Hello, Mrs. Jen.
What's up?
What's going on in here? Did the win streak continue?
It did.
Let's go.
Over 100 points from the first entry, and then the second entry, like 50, 60 points.
Let's go.
Yeah, we're crushing. I was just breaking down everybody, kind of the difference in psychology from trading like a lightning funded account versus a select account, because people are asking. So we were talking about that.
Valid.
What about you? I heard you took the shorts. I was thinking about those shorts, and I hesitated and didn't take them, but they printed.
Caught a winner. Yeah, I was hyped.
Let's go.
I was juiced up.
You're always juiced up.
Always juiced up. How's the baby doing?
Good. As far as I know, I mean, kind of at that weird point where you can't really tell because I'm, starting to feel better, but you can't feel the baby moving or anything yet. So yeah, we're hanging in there. My parents are in town. They got in town yesterday, so I'm pretty hyped about that. Have some family time. They haven't been out here in like a year and a half. So
nice.
Yeah. Are we trading at the office this weekend or what? Or on Friday?
I thought about it. It's been a minute. It's definitely a possibility. I'm not. Maybe. We'll decide by the end of today.
Deal. Sick. Are you going to take any more trades or what?
Probably not. I'm more of a one and done type of guy. If something looks really good, maybe, but probably.
That's what I've been telling everybody. I'm like, I had a rough February, and this month so far, I'm 100% green and have just been focused on trading literally like 2 to 3 micros. My max position size has been 4 micros and 50K account, taking base hits, and like they add up if you do it the right way.
Yep.
You have the discipline to just move on with your day.
That's how I got all my Tradeify Select accounts to the daily payout buffer was just micros. Literally, it just takes longer. But if you have patience, it's better than blowing accounts over and over.
Exactly.
People think, oh, I don't want to trade 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 micros because it's going to take forever. Well, the opposite or the other option is that you keep blowing your accounts and you get no payouts. So you'd either have payouts once a month or payouts never.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. People hate, like I always see, especially on Twitter, I don't really post, but I'll like look and see what people are saying. And people will post their trades, and if it's like less than $1,000, it's like, oh, can you even trade? Like your profits are so small. And I'm like, I mean, honestly, if you make $200 across 5 accounts, that's $1,000 a day. That's life-changing money for 99% of people. So
yep.
Hate on it all you want, but base hits are the way.
Yep. I got that sign that sits above my office every day that says 252 trading days a year, $200 a day is 50K a year, 400 a day is 100K a year, 1K a day is 250K a year, and 4K a day is $1 million a year. Consistency is the key, which is true.
Ooh, I like that. I need that sign.
Yeah, $200 a day. People are like, oh, it's only $200. Well, you do it, you average it every day. That's an extra 50 racks a year. I don't know a single person who they're going to say no to an extra 50K a year, or that wouldn't significantly help their situation in every way, shape, and form.
Oh, 100%. 100%. Well, and I feel like, it's a lot of times people aren't willing to take the base hit, and so then they just hold and end up giving it back and letting their trade go red. And it's like the $200, $300, $400 you would have gotten if you would have just taken your green and moved on with your day far exceeds the negative, obviously,
Yep, facts.
So
Big
I've
facts.
been much quicker in this market this month to taking my profit, moving my stops break even, protecting my downside because it's so volatile. And, I'll be honest, not every trade is 2R like I used to aim for, but the wins are stacking up and the consistency is stacking up. So it's working for now.
Yep, facts.
Okay.
Big facts. You taking any more trades today, or are you done?
I think I'm going to be done. There's some questions questions in the chat I said I was going to get to. I'm probably going to break down this trade for everybody because it happened quicker than usual, and so I wasn't able to give as much of a analysis before getting in of what exactly I was looking for. So I'll do a little trade breakdown, answer some questions, and then hop off and go do family time.
Nice. That's great.
Oh, what did I do with my parents' day? It's supposed to be 90 degrees. Like,
Is it going to be hot today?
yeah, it's supposed to be 90 degrees. 88, I think, is the high.
No way.
They're like, wait a second, we wanted to.
Oh my gosh, it is going to be 90 today. What the heck?
I know. So.
Damn, Gene, that's crazy. Why didn't you tell me that?
Oh, Gene's there. What's up, Gene?
Oh, he's not in the room. I keep forgetting he's preoccupied. He's busy at the house. But he usually.
Are you gonna let Gene start streaming with me for New York?
If he wants to, he can.
He said he has to get your approval, but I think it'd be fun. He's trading it anyway. Might as well. He and I are kind of the dream team.
If he wants to, he can.
Okay. I'll let him know that the principal agreed.
The principal.
That's what he calls you every time you call him during Asia. He's like, sorry, I was on the phone with principal. So funny. All right, guys, let's answer some questions.
All right, I'm gonna mob out of your live, Jen.
Thanks for hopping on.
Yep. Bye. Don't. Yep, Jen trades in Team Bowl every day. Don't. If you guys want to join Jen and I, we offer free Fridays. Here, I'll post the Discord link if you guys would like to join the free Discord. I have prop firm discounts. We have free Fridays, among other things. I just posted the link in the YouTube chat. That's where you'll find our free Fridays and all the other value we have with the Discord. I just posted the link there. If you guys want to tap that and join, you can join the free Discord there. Which all of you guys should join, by the way. Dun. Don't. Damn, if we would have gotten that pre-market high reject this morning, that would have been absolute filth. Would have been nasty.
Yeah, I'm still watching this pre-market high.
Are you?
Well, it's a little higher, like 550. That's the only reason I'm hanging around still. I want to see if we can do what we do there. Made 1,200 today, Jdun.
Nice.
They just paid for it.
I'd love to see us touch like 550, 540, 550 and fail and then just die. That's what I'd like to see. Personally, that's what I like to see. Yeah, copy.
Section just stalled here.
Just dead. This market needs to just go old yeller, just croak. Go straight to the ground. Break this range.
Classic.
Old yeller?
Yeah. I was a tearjerker when I was a kid.
Oh, yeah. You know all the classics, huh? Shit is old, 1957. Fox and Hound was my trauma Disney movie. Fox and Hound. If you guys have any questions too, now is the time to ask them. I swear, whenever we catch a winner early on, it feels like the day moves so slow. Teach you how to trade. You're a single dad. I got you. I mean, whether you're single or married or whatever you are, I'll help you regardless, but I got you. Prices just stalled out here, huh? Not a big video game guy, but I will be buying GTA 6. I grew up on that game. The only video games I'll play is like once a month on a Saturday. I'll play Madden. On my come up, though, I didn't play video games for years. I'm fully of the belief if you are not where you want to be in life, if you're living paycheck to paycheck, if you're not in a space in your trading or at a point of profitability you're at, why are you spending an hour or two a day, or heck, even an hour or 2 or 3 hours during the week playing video games when you could be back testing or studying? I think escaping your own reality has got to be earned right. A lot of people play video games every day to escape the reality. Why? Why not just build the reality that you're proud of and that you love? That was my mindset when I was coming up. Instead of playing video games for an hour, go read for an hour. Earn your right to escape your reality. Yeah, of course, when I left yesterday, just turn your life into GTA. Am I planning a short if price gets up here? I mean, it's definitely a possible setup. If you guys haven't noticed, this market has been very consistent on bounces at demand and rejects at supply. We haven't had a ton of clear trend days. I mean, I show you guys this every day, but I'll show you again because why not? Look at this daily chart. This is not a trending market. This is disgusting. Just range. This is a daily chart, guys, a daily chart. So when you have that, you've had a lot of demand and supply, demand bounces and supply rejects, but there hasn't been a lot of true trend moves. I'm just reaping what I sow. Then right when you think that we're going to get a break of structure, bang, Trump says, nope, send it back up. When you think we're going to move up, bang, nope, war news, send it back down. If you guys want to take my next trade with me, you can use code Jdun on Apex. It's only $37 for a 50K trade of 8 end of day drawdown account. That's the one I recommend for y'all. So if you guys want to get funded and trade with me, you can pass your eval in 1 day as well. Trade up to 20 accounts at a time. I just put the link in YouTube to join. Let's see if we can get a rejection of pre-market high to 550. It's not even 9 o'clock here. How crazy is that? The Grisology indicator that I used was built by my boy. So it's partially supporting him, partially because I just like the indicator. But it auto plots all your levels. You have access to all of these different levels. You can click of a button, put on point of control, VWAP, your London session, Asia session levels, fair value gaps, Delta dashboard, everything. If you guys want access to the Grisology indicator for yourself, you can use code Jdun for 50% off. Supports our boy Grizzly too. I'll put the link in YouTube. Sell that course? What are you literally talking about? Sell that Porsche, sell that course, Jdun. I'm not selling the Porsche, sorry. It's Porsche, not Porsche. It's for TradingView. You do it at the very end of checkout. How many times I've been trading live with you guys on YouTube for free and on TikTok for like 6, 7, 8 months, something like that. How many times have I won a trade or gone on a 3 or 4 week win streak or made you guys money consistently and said, hey guys, you like that winning trade? Buy my course. How many times? Literally how many times? The answer is 0. That's how many times. The answer is 0. Never. I do ask that if you're trading with prop firms, I appreciate you using code JDUN. Support me that way. I appreciate you guys subbing to the YouTube, subbing, following the TikTok, or following me on Instagram at JDUN Trades. I appreciate your free support there. What's up, Grizzly Glock? I am here.
I'm just talking. We get my full grizzly suit and wear it.
Yes, yes, yes. We can match. We can match. I basically have a grizzly suit. Can you see me on the...
Yeah, I can see it.
All right.
Got like a Jason mask. Michael Myers.
Roar!
Got calls and all.
Roar! We want some downward dog price action. Roar! Give us shorts. Let the bears come into play. Give me a pre-market high and let it rip down. I got the whole setup.
Like it.
You like that? Trying to look like you. Oh, we got the bull mask too. It just looks like it's it's an interesting bull mask. Oh man. Don't on it. It's only 9 o'clock. I got about 30 more minutes.
Let me hear.
What are your plans the rest of the day?
Make a recap of the trade we picked up.
Nice. All right. I'm thinking about taking one of the nice car. Oh, not the Porsche, but probably the lamb chop out today too. It's gonna be really nice here. Like I was today years old when I found out it was gonna be like 90 degrees here.
Maybe throw like a cream CD in.
Yup.
Show some
Bro,
gears.
I have a ton of CDs. I have a whole one of those CD holders. I have a bunch of old CDs. The the Porsche has a CD player too. And it was 2019 or 2018.
Anybody make like mix CDs anymore? I need some of them.
Maybe throw on some Green Day or some Nickelback.
I got Nickelback.
Bro, I love Nickelback.
Doors Down. I got
Oh, Three Doors Down, so fire. So fire.
AC/DC. All the basics, for driving a muscle car.
Bro, Three Doors Down, Nickelback, you're having a good day. Sun's shining, you're having a good day. Plain and simple. No way around it. The TI is nice too if you're feeling some old school rap. I didn't know that. Johnny Trades. Damn. That's crazy. The three Doors Down singer died of cancer at 47. Dude, cancer is crazy.
Yeah.
No matter how much money you no matter how much money you have.
Pretty sure caffeine be what gets me.
Caffeine. Yeah, you like caffeine?
Caffeine overdose. Okay, well, look, worse ways to go.
Just passed my eval today. DOD, baby. That's right. That's awesome. How much do I make from affiliate link? Not enough. Use code Jdun so I can keep supporting y'all. Scratch my back, I scratch yours. Health is wealth. That's for sure, guys. That's facts. Great trade today, Jdun. Yes. One winning trade. Which has a better sound system, Porsche or Lambo? In terms of actual sound, the Porsche, I believe. I'd say the Porsche for sound for music. Listen, when you guys go to the dealership,
I've ever heard your Porsche.
I don't really drive it too much.
You feel like a coach star.
Yep. Whenever you guys go to buy your next Lambo at the dealership, they will tell you that your audio system is your exhaust. It's not your speakers in your car. Just remember that whenever you guys go and buy your next lamb chop, you're not buying it for the speaker system. You're buying it for the exhaust. That's your speaker system. Keep up the great work, Team Bull. You make me more than six figures since 2023 and made me I and Drader. Let's go. Gerard said, took my first payout $2,000 2 weeks ago and just got approved for my second payout $1,100 yesterday. Congratulations, bro. I don't always take every trade with you and Grizzly, but the overall DOD game changer. Let's go. That's awesome. This movement's boo-boo. Prop firms love when you overtrade. They love when you choose dopamine over discipline. They love it. With all the recent flack about TJR and skepticism about mentors in general, quick appreciation shout out that you're here grinding with us daily and teaching without charging. I appreciate you. I do my best to give back to the community as much as I can. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Be right back.
I think I've had enough this morning. So see you in the morning. See you, Jdun, everyone.
Bro, why won't they give us? Why won't they give us that pre-market high? All right, folks. I'm going to mob out for the day. Hopefully you guys got value being here with me today. One winner. Make sure not to overtrade. Choose discipline over dopamine in your trading and in your daily life. The habits that you have and that you practice and that you implement every day in your daily life directly impact and correlate with your trading. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused on the long-term vision. A lot of people in this game over leverage, get ahead of themselves, and end up giving up, but not you. You're a real gangster. You won't give up. You get frustrated and you elevate. You keep focusing. You keep pushing. God bless you guys. I'm gonna mob out of here. You guys should get a really nice move now. I just have to go. I got stuff to do with my kid, but I'll see you guys for Power Hour or tomorrow. Maybe Power Hour, but for sure tomorrow morning. God bless y'all. Peace. Bye, everyone.